Hello everybody and welcome back to my mother's kitchen. Today we are making some simple white bread. Good old farm style lockdown farm bread, white bread. It's easy, we don't buy bread anymore, we don't bother with it, we just make bread instead. So that's what we're doing today, we're making bread. So if you don't want to buy bread and you want to make delicious bread instead, I'm going to show you how to do it and how easy it is. Let's go. So what you need is a kilogram of bread flour, 40 grams of sugar, that's the sugar, 10 mils of salt, and one packet of instant yeast, 20 grams, 25 grams of butter, and then 600 mils of lukewarm water, which I'm going to sort out in a tikkie. So the first thing you want to do is, in a warm bowl, you want to put in all your dry ingredients. There's just a bit of water in here. So your flour, your sugar, your salt, and your yeast. Pour it all into your mixing bowl and give it a good mix. Okay, then what we want to do is make some lukewarm water. I have to make lukewarm water because we can't drink our tap water because it's rainwater in our taps. So I'm going to, the first thing, we've got boiling water in our kettle. I'm going to pour a little bit of that over our butter. Just let the butter melt in that a bit. Pour your melted butter in here. Here comes the tricky part, I guess. We add some more boiling water in here. We'll make it about 400. And the last 200 of cold water. It's in a wine bottle. It's water, it's not wine. Okay, so we've got our lukewarm water. This is a bit hot, so I'm going to let it cool for a bit. And you want to put that in there and then we mix it and knead it. So I'm not using a beater today because I'm just showing you how to do it the traditional way, I guess. Yay. All right, then we add our lukewarm water and butter to our dry ingredients and mix it up and make it nice. And now you knead it for 5 minutes. So there's the dough. My mom popped in and helped me knead it because it's hard work. And so it's nice and smooth and good to go. So the next thing that you want to do is just take some olive oil, coat a little bowl that you can seal, because we're going to let it prove in here for an hour and a half, until it's doubled in size. It's nice and hot today, it's 34 degrees outside. We're gonna get nice bread. Pop that into your bowl, give it a good little swish around in there so it doesn't stick to your little bowl. And I'm gonna pop the lid on this and sit it in the sun somewhere. So, I will see you when that has doubled in size. Okay, see you then. Bye for now. See you just now. Like right now. Bye. We're back. And the dough, she has risen. In that time we bathed the dogs and played Taiko no Tatsujin, and I'm addicted to it. Now that our dough has risen, we're going to divide it into two and put it into our sprayed and floured bread tins. So we're just gonna, oh, it's hot. Okay, we want to divide it in half, so we've got it, and we're going to try and make it nice and long. Fold those ends under, put it in there, and just make sure it reaches all the corners. Not a very smooth top on that one, but it's okay. Same thing with this one. Okay, now we cover them and leave them to rise for another half hour using a plastic bag. Didn't see what I did there, did you? There. Like that. And you leave it to rise for half an hour. Yes, I'll see you in another half an hour. I'm gonna go and do some drumming. Okay, so our loaves are risen. So now we're gonna pop them in the oven at 230 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. 230 degrees Celsius. Start the timer and I'll see you when it's done. Okay, so let's see, 20 minutes has passed. Oh, I need something to pull these out with. Oven gloves?
Hanging up on the wall.
Aha, I see. I got some gloves. Well, they're not golden. They're like, oh, they are kind of. See if they're ready. Yes, those are ready. Woohoo! Do you hear that? Ow. Let's tip them out. Hey. Ho ho! Bread. Delicious. Done. Yum. So there you have it. How to make easy, delicious white bread. Very yummy. All right. So that's that for this video. My dad's got to finish the kitchen. Almost. Won't be fully finished, but almost. Hope you liked it. If you did, leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of it down in the comments section below. And if you would like to support me in this channel, then please subscribe. All right. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I will see you in the next video.